What is going on, everybody? It is your girl Marquita with Team TRM coming at you with another Novatech FX training video. In today's video, we're going to talk about the difference between your bonus account and trading account balances. In a few days, I am actually going to be uploading a video on how to do a withdrawal, and I feel that understanding the difference between these two account balances is imperative before we get to that video. And I've also seen a lot of questions about the difference between the two, so let's just go ahead and jump right into the content. The very first thing that you want to do, as always, is make sure that you are logged into your Novatech back office. If you're freshly logged in, you should see this main dashboard. If you have already been logged in, you may need to click on the My Back Office here or the My Back Office here to land on this dashboard. Now for today's video, we're going to be focusing on two balances that you see on the dashboard. The first is going to be your Ewallet balance, and the second is going to be your trading balance. Now, as you can see, my Ewallet balance has 26 cents in it. My trading balance, for this example, I know it looks a little funny. It has $3,000 inside of it. Now, this is not my trading balance, full disclosure, but we are going to use this for the purpose of this video today. So let's first talk about the bonus account or the Ewallet balance. Now, your Ewallet balance is also known as the bonus account balance. This is really simplified now. Novatech has made it very simple. So regardless of whether you hear someone say, hey, withdraw it from your Ewallet, or you hear it someone say, hey, withdraw it from your bonus account balance, the two are the same. They can be used interchangeably. Now, you can consider your Ewallet or bonus account balance like your weekly paycheck wallet. The reason why I call it that is this is where Novatech FX will place all of your earnings, if any, on Fridays from the passive results that were gained. Novatech FX will also place any commissions earned or bonuses earned here on Saturdays if you participate in the optional referral plan. Once the funds are placed in this Ewallet or bonus account area, it's available to withdraw immediately and will be deposited to your wallet. That's either Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum of your choice within 24 hours after that request is made. Now let's take a look at the trading account balance. Your trading account balance is treated more like your savings account or a CD. This wallet is what allows you to potentially earn passive income from Novatech FX each and every single Friday. And again, as you can see in this example, my trading account balance has $3,000 inside of it. Now, your trading account balance is always available for you to withdraw. However, since it is what the company uses to gain a potential profit and it may be in use during the time of the request, it can take approximately 7 to 14 business days to hit the wallet of your choice after withdrawal. Again, you can choose Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum for that withdrawal. Now, I do want to cover a very important note. Your trading balance must be at least $100 USD at all times to continue having Novatech FX trade on your behalf. If the balance does fall below this threshold, no further potential earnings will be gained. Now, let's see the balances work in a live example. So in this example, my trading balance is $3,000 as we saw. And on May 28th, 2021, Novatech actually had a 3.2% week, which would have resulted in a payout of $96 hitting my Ewallet or bonus account. So if we look at my Ewallet before the payout on May 28th, you can see my Ewallet balance had 26 cents in it and my trading balance had $3,000 USD inside of it. Then we received the payout notification. As you can see, our CEO here is throwing up, her little fighting stance. And we had a 3.2% week. This is a live example of a week that we actually had. So let's take a look at my wallet after the payout on that Friday. As you can see, my trading balance is still $3,000, but my Ewallet balance has now jumped to $96.26. And the reason is, again, we had a $96 payout for this $3,000 balance. It just added right to that Ewallet balance of 26 cents, bringing it to the total of what you see here, the $96.26. So I can then choose to add those funds in my e-wallet to my trading balance, which we call compounding, for a higher potential earning the following week. I can decide to withdraw that, or I can do a combination of the two. Now you can check out the Residual Master YouTube channel for video instructions on how to do all of these things. But let's take a look to see if I compounded that full payout of $96. As you can see, my trading balance is now $3,096 because I took the whole $96 and put it right into my trading account balance to see if I can gain an even larger amount the following week. Notice, because I took that $96 out of my e-wallet balance, my e-wallet is now 26 cents. So it's back to where we physically started. And if you can remember from my compound video on my channel, we can't compound the cents, we can only compound full dollars. So you see the 26 cents is still left over. Let's take a look and decide whether I wanted to compound $50. You can compound with as little as $1 to as much as you have in your e-wallet. So in this example, I'm compounding $50 of the $96 that I got paid. As you can see, my trading balance now has $3,050, whereas my e-wallet balance has $46.26. Again, because that $50 was taken from that $96, it left me with the $46.26. Now that $50 is now available in my trading balance, okay? Or again, this can be considered your bonus account. It's the same thing. So e-wallet balance and bonus account is the same thing. They're used interchangeably. Let's take a look at one more example. So I can actually withdraw the full amount of my payout. So I was paid $96. I can withdraw that full $96. And as you can see, take a look at what my balances look like. So my trading balance is still $3,000, which is where we began, because I haven't added anything, I haven't subtracted anything. But now my e-wallet or my bonus account wallet is now zero because I've taken out everything, including the cents. You can withdraw the cents when you submit a payout if you would like as well. I tend to leave the cents in, but you can withdraw the cents as well. So as you can see, I now have zero in that e-wallet balance. So like I mentioned, I'm actually going to be doing a withdrawal tutorial in the next couple of days. Now, in order to do a withdrawal, again, you can withdraw from either your bonus account / e-wallet balance, or you can withdraw from your trading account balance, but we need to make sure that we are prepared to do that. So let's take a look at what we would need to do. Now, in your back office, you want to go back to the main dashboard, again, by hitting the My Back Office. You want to click on the e-wallet. This is where all of your financial information is listed. So if you wanted to update or change your e-wallet address, or even add it for the first time, you would do it here. If you want to request a withdrawal of either your trading balance or your bonus or e-wallet account, you would also do it here. So let's take a look first at updating the wallet, because in order for Novatech to pay us, we need to actually have a wallet submitted. So what you want to pay attention to on this page is that entries may take up to 48 hours to update. So once you fill out this form, again, under the update e-wallet, you want to make sure you're giving enough time. You really want to make sure you're giving about a week in order for you to be able to submit your withdrawal request. So as we can see here, we want to pay attention to a couple of different things. These are already filled out for you. If your profile is filled out here, all of this information will already be generated. Because of security and making sure that the person who is requesting withdrawals is the actual person who owns the account, you'll notice that you'll have to go ahead and put in the number one, the type of request. So are you updating a wallet that you have already submitted here, meaning this is not your first time submitting a wallet request, or you're adding it for the first time? And then what you want to do is make sure you upload a photo of your ID. Just the front of the ID is fine. So you'll choose the file from your computer. The next thing is you want to make sure you're selecting the proper coin for the wallet you're going to be entering. It automatically defaults to Bitcoin, but you want to click these little small arrows here, and you can choose Litecoin, which I recommend because the fees are much cheaper, or you can choose Ethereum. Ethereum is stated to go up in value, not financial advice. The same thing with Bitcoin, is undervalued. So really it's up to you, but the fees tend to be a little more expensive on the Bitcoin and the Ethereum options. And then what you want to do is paste in your wallet address here, make sure that it is absolutely correct, and then confirm by pasting in the wallet address again here and clicking on save. Now, once you do that, you want to be sure to give the company up to 48 hours for you to have your wallet updated, and you'll get a notification letting you know that you've submitted the request. But you want to be able to check to see if that wallet has been updated before submitting any cash out or withdrawal request. So as you can see here, we have the what's my wallet address. You want to click on that. Here we go. You want to click on that to make sure that it's updated. You'll be led to this page here. There are two important details that you want to pay attention to on this page. The first is the address. Does this match your actual address that you're looking to have your new withdrawals go to from the company, both from your trading balance or your Ewallet/bonus account? The next thing, you want to make sure the proper coin is selected, and then you can also see the date that you submitted that request or the date that it's been changed. Okay, so what you want to do is check out my next video, get that information submitted if you haven't already, and then check out my next video where we're going to cover how to submit a withdrawal, and we'll actually go through the cash out request form. If you want